Hello, welcome to BIDMAS with Ben. My name is Ben and I'm the coordinator and coach for the Maths Centre for Excellence at City College, Plymouth. In this short video, I'm going to take you through BIDMAS with some examples. So hopefully BIDMAS will become a little bit clearer for you. Before we get started, let me just get rid of my face so you can see my presentation. Let's get into it. The BIDMAS rule is an acronym to help us remember the order of operations. So, brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. And this is really useful when presented with a number sentence containing more than one operation, such as 3 plus 4 times 2. The operations cannot be completed from left to right, but instead in their order of importance, which is what BIDMAS stands for. So brackets first, so I'll complete anything in the brackets, and then indices, so this is anything like square numbers, powers, exponents. Then division and multiplication. If both are in the same calculation, complete them left to right. And then lastly, addition and subtraction. And again, if they're both in the same calculation, complete them left to right. For our first example, we have 6 plus 2 times 7, and the correct answer is 20. So the multiplication must be completed first. So 2 times 7, which gives us 14, and then the addition. So 6 plus 14 equals 20. This may commonly be miscalculated as 56 by working from left to right. So 6 plus 2, which will give us 8, and then 8 times 7, which will give us 56. So multiplication first in this example. So the correct answer is 20. This example is a little bit more complicated. So we have 3 times 2 plus 4 in brackets plus 5 squared. And the correct answer will be 43 and not 35. So the BIDMAS rule states we should calculate the brackets first. So for this equation, 2 plus 4 will give us 6. And then the indices, sometimes called orders, would be 5 squared, so that gives us 25, and then any division or multiplication. So it'll be 3 times 6, which is the answer to the bit in the brackets, which will give us 18, and finally any addition or subtraction. So 18 plus 25, and that gives us 43. For this last example, we have 5 minus 2 plus 6 divided by 3, and the correct answer is 5. So with the BIDMAS rule, the division must be completed first. So that's 6 divided by 3, which will give us 2. Then addition and subtraction, and both are the same importance, so we start from left to right. And then we can work out the answer as 5 minus 2 plus 2, which is the answer to the division, and our answer will be 5. Just to recap on the order of operations, this is the order in which operations must be completed, from brackets first to addition and subtraction last. It's important to remember that division and multiplication are represented alongside each other as they are of equal importance, so must be completed from left to right, whichever appears first, and this is the same for addition and subtraction. If you would like to have a deeper look into BIDMAS, check out our YouTube channel. If you want any other revision tips, they're on our YouTube channel too. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram to keep up to date with everything the Maths Centre is doing. And of course, if you have any questions, drop us an email at mathsco@cityplymouth.ac.uk. Thanks for listening.